Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a prize. I wanted a prize from Jellybean Junction. During her sale they have keywords they put in, her and Donna Dreamtime Story, and you write them down, and the next sale they'll say, okay, put the keywords in and you can win a prize. Well, I was lucky. I won Donna's as well as Jellybean's. So here we go. And I gotta show you guys something. Oh, this box is bigger than I thought it was. I love how she does this. Ooh, pull this over so you guys don't see her address. She goes, come rain, come snow, come hail, or sleet, the postman always delivers. We thank you for your sacrifice and dedication. She always puts something in her packages. And then she always puts this on her packages. Sending crafty hugs your way. So cute. Wow. Ooh. So she's got, this looks like some of Donna's. If not, I'm sorry. But there's ribbon going around. Okay. The package. So I'll start with the package because it's on top. I love these little bags. So let's see. Okay. I bought some stuff too, so this is what I bought. So we'll start with that first. This is what I bought. She took these little CD cases. Okay. So cute. Alright. Forgot. I bought something from Jellybean too, so got ahead of myself. I got so excited about the prize. So she took the little CD cases, she decorated the outside, and inside she put a whole bunch of stamps in there, and I'm always liking stamps, and I'm getting low on them. Ain't that cute? So cute. So that's what I bought. Oh, here's a card. See, I'm really getting ahead. I'm distracted. Okay, awesome. And then she always sends a thank you. Alright. Oh. And it says, just because. I think I opened it the wrong way. Oh my god, all these wood. Wow, you can tell it's been that. It's that type of day. Oh, cool. I love goodies. Oh man, a woman to my heart. My favorite candy besides Kit Kat is gummy bears. Cause I needed them today. Got a pineapple, a playing card, and some blue tickets. Love them, love them, love them. Awesome. And of course, a little bag that I'm going to re-glue because I was opening it the wrong way. Yeah, so that is what I bought from her. Now to the prize. What is this? Awesome cigar box. Giveaway prize. Congratulations from Jellybean. Thank you for your business. Email bornforcrafting@gmail.com. And I will have Jellybean's channel linked in the description box below, so you guys go over and check out her sales. She has wonderful stuff. Man, you really got this in here. I'm trying. Ooh. So it's this awesome cigar box. Nice and wooden one. Look at them medallions in there. And I was going to cover this. I was going to use this in a project. And now that I've seen this metal, I might not do that. Because they were metal, guys. It's a compass, a world. Cool. Look at the workmanship on some of these cigar boxes you can come across, man. The workmanship is just phenomenal. Okay. And ready? It is full of lace. Oh boy, where to start, guys? I don't want to touch it because it's so pretty. It's like finding your grandmother's cedar chest. You know, that's what this feels like to me. All right, we have a butterfly. die cut. We have a little lace. And we have some appliques. It's so nicely put in here. Oh, appliques. I love that it looks vintagey lace because I don't have a lot of the cream, like the off-color lace, so this is so cool to win. Things like that. I'm not going to unfold it. I'm just going to show you guys. It's so pretty. I feel like I'm a dainty, and then there's this. I don't know what you would call that, but it's a trim. And got this one as well. I don't know if she dyed these herself. Because if she did, awesome. Because mine didn't turn out that good. Got a little white. I tried doing some coffee or tea stained. It didn't work out in my favor. I don't know. Got a piece of lace that is like vintage looking. And we got a clothespin with some going around with a safety pin holding it. Old-fashioned clothespin too. That's cool. I got this one. So pretty. You know, I'm gonna put this all back and stare at it before I even use it because it's so cool to look at. Just saying, like I said, it reminds me of opening my grandmother's cedar chest. Got this trim. Except in my grandmother's cedar chest was all our children's baptism gowns, her wedding dress, a few other little cool things. It was just cool to find. My aunt got it. You know, she was the daughter. I was only the granddaughter. That trim. But it was just neat to look through it. And then some white. Looks like that. Then we have this one. Okay. Got some trim. Got gold doilies. A little few gold doilies. Or gold. Silver doilies. I'm sorry, I'm distracted. I'm trying to preoccupy my mind, but it's not working. I might just have to do something here. Got that trim. And we got a napkin. Pretty napkin. And then we got this little piece of trim. And then we got this. And that's what I'm smelling. I knew I smelled something. I was like, I'm smelling something. She put a dryer sheet in there. Ah, that's a cool idea. Awesome. So let's see if I can get this all tidy. Might not give it justice like Jellybean had it. I'm going to do my best. I might have to do it more than once to get it. Okay. Oh, sorry. Do best to get it in here. It's probably not in the same order as Jellybean had it, but if I can get it to close, that'll be the job well done. Awesome. Let's see. Ready? Oh, might not be as in there like Jellybean had it, but I got it back in there. I want to thank Jellybean so much. This is such a wonderful prize. I love it. I love it. I love it. Like I said, I'm going to stare at it for a long while. Well, not a long time, but a while. Because I think I'm personally, guys, this may be strange. Do you do like a room vintage style? Wouldn't that look just cute as a decor piece? Just like this? That's me. That's what you know? if you do that, like, that's just me. But I want to thank you, Jellybean, so much. It's a wonderful prize. I love it. I love it. I love the box. See, I was going to redo the box, and now I'm not going to touch the box because I got all excited when I won a cigar box. But this one's too phenomenal to touch. So, but I love how she took this little CD. I don't even know if this was CD case. Pocket. She decorated the outside and added the stamps in there. So that's what I bought. So I will have Jellybean's channel linked in the description box below. Please go give her and Donna a shout out and come into their sales. And every 2 weeks on Wednesdays, I believe. I really should get that wrote down so I remember, so I don't give you wrong information. But I want to say, I know their next one is, and I can tell you that. Hang on. I'll get the date right, at least, for you. Alrighty, let's see. The next sale is, whoops, that's not the right page. July 21st. See, I have that wrote down. So July 21st is their next sale, and I believe it's going to be on Donna Dreamtimes 3's channel, which I will link in the description box, just as well as Jellybean Junction channel. As always, thank you so much, Jellybean. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.